So in order to link your work to your to your digital notebook, you'll have to go to your sites page again that you've created. And the first thing you'll do is you'll hit the edit button up here, and you'll load the editor, and you'll see up here at the top you have a variety of tools that'll enable you to do that. In order to link your work, I'm going to offer you 3 different ways, all of which are fine by me, some of which are more work intensive, but it's your page, it's your notebook, and so you can make it look in a way that works best for you. So the way I've written or done my notebook is basically I take some text that I've written on the page and I highlight it. Then I go up here to the link button, and it even says link, and I click it, and this is the crucial step. It opens up this dialog box, but then you need to hit web address, and then what you're going to do is actually go to the page that you have open, copy and paste this URL into this box here, and you click OK. So that's how I do mine. And to change or remove, all you have to do is just hit here. If you want to change it to change the words, you can edit them here. Or if you want to remove it altogether, you can just click remove there. A second, perhaps easier way to insert your work is you go insert and you go to your drive and then you select your folder. And since this is my Renaissance page, I'm going to select my Renaissance folder to be included. And now it's going to show me all the documents inside. And so I can select all the documents that I want included in here. So I know that I'm going to want this activity in and this activity. Actually, it seems like I can only select one at a time. And I'll hit select. And you can select, because it's your web page, small, medium, or large. And now you can see this is just a sketch, but when I hit save, you can see the full copy of the Renaissance Star Walk. So you might prefer to do it that way. And then to add further works, you don't have to hit save every time, but it does look like you're going to have to go through the Google Drive and back to your folder. And this time I'm going to include my EQs. Usually if you leave the width here blank on this dialog box, it will adjust for the width of the browser. If you set in a width, sometimes it doesn't display properly on, say, your iPhone or on a smaller screen. So it's good to leave that one blank. And again, you can see now we have a copy of the EQs on here too. And what's nice about this method is you don't have to click through to a bunch of different links to view your work. It's all just present on the same page. And so it's very easy for you to see what work is in there and what work you still need to include. Or if you go back and study, you don't have to open up a bunch of different browsers. You can actually just from your web page toggle through your PowerPoint presentations, or you can scroll through your EQs and reread them. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and best of luck submitting your notebook.